Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which will actually test out your speed and check the loading speed of your website directly in the terminal. It will tell you how much loading time it takes to actually fully load your website. It is a very useful script for search engine optimization. You will be able to see how much time your website is taking. So let's suppose I am basically written the script here. So I'm just wanted to know the loading speed of my website, e-commerce website, which is procodestore.com. So I put this script in the website in the script here, and as soon as I run the script here by executing python app.py, so it will take some time, and then it will load the website in the background, and it will exactly tell me that the loading time of the website is round about 1.29 seconds. I can change the URL here. Let's suppose I say freemediatools.com, which is my tool-based website. Let's suppose I want to know the loading time of this website. Again, you will see the loading time of website is 0.072 seconds. So you can see the drastic difference. We can even cross verify as well by Google page speed inside. So there are lots of online tools you can actually go to actually measure the loading time of the website. This is provided by Google. So essentially it is using this Python script in the background to actually analyze it. You will see it is running the analysis, and you can see again it is doing everything in the background. And so I will show you this Python script which is actually using the free open source packages to measure this loading time. So I have given the full script in the description of the video. So first of all, what we need to do in order to make this, we need to import the URL lib module, and inside this module we have this request class, and from this you just need to import this URL open method. After that, we just need to import the time class from time module. So all these two modules are built in inside Python. You did not have to install it. So after, just import this, and here you just create a variable where you open the website and passing it to this URL open function. So it will actually open this website in the background. So let's suppose I provide here google.com, so it will simply go to this website in the background. And then after that, now to measure the time here, we will initialize this time constructor. So it will actually send how much time it took, and it will store it inside this variable. And now we can actually, the output here, we can read this, the website dot read method. So it will actually read this data using this object. It contains this read method, and after that, the close time, we can make it and just create the time here, the current time here. So we will measure the difference here, the opening time, closing time minus opening time. This will give you the loading time. So now in the next step, we can simply print the time taken to open website, the loading time of website is, and then we will use the round function, and here we will take the difference of close time minus open time. This is actually your formula here, and then we will put round it off, and so this will be coming out in seconds. So the time interval will be in seconds here. So if I again execute this, you will see that the loading time of website is 0.025 seconds. So you can take any website, for example, just you plug the URL, and then you can directly measure it, the loading time interval directly in the terminal itself. You can see 0.638 seconds. So every time the URL, the loading time will be different depending upon the website. So here you can This is a very simple script which gives you test the loading speed and gives you the loading time of the website in seconds. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.